mathematical gates. Gates and doors are really useful, keeping us, our families, and animals safe from harm. Did you know that gates and doors are mathematical too? Here is an outline of a big gate. It's a wooden gate to keep the sheep safe from harm in the field. What shapes do you see? It's full of triangles. Some are the same shape, size, and have the same sized angles. Watch me test. I can see a parallelogram. Can you see it too? I can see a rhombus. I can see an irregular hexagon. Here are two parallel lines and one diagonal, using my gate as a guide. Here are the angles that are the same size. Isn't that clever? Have a look at gates, fences, railings, and doors where you live. Can you find some of these mathematical properties hidden within their structure too?
دلوقتي بعد ما اتفرجنا على الفيديو مع بعض وشفنا ان ال world around us is composed of lines وangles وكمان shape، عايزة اسألكم بقى question. While watching the video وانتوا بتتفرجوا على الفيديو ده، مين بص على الدور اللي جنبه أو أي حاجة around you وشاف الماثيماتيكال شيبس زي اللي كان مطلوب منكم في الفيديو؟ على فكرة أنا لاحظت إن السبيس around me كله have lots of two-dimensional shapes like the shelf behind me. الشلف behind me لو بصينا عليها هنلاقيها square shaped. في الفيديو ده سمعنا new vocab. But don't worry، مش عايزة حد يقلق خالص، كل الحاجات دي هنتعرف عليها in this unit lessons. And now let's start lesson 1 which is called two-dimensional shapes. بعد ما نخلص اللسن بتاعنا كلنا هنبقى قادرين ان احنا نرسم ونحدد two-dimensional shapes by their attributes. attributes يعني ايه؟ يعني ال properties بتاعتها، وكمان we know how to measure the sides of polygons. تعالوا كده نشوفها مع بعض. اوكي تعالوا نشوف بقى axis part. Now we will start with axis and the activity similar shapes like you see here. You can see that the shapes have the letters from A to L. لو بصينا كده هنلاقي letters from A to L. طيب محتاجين ان احنا نختار two shapes that have something in common. في حاجة common ما بينهم، وهنكتب الليترز بتاعت التو shapes دول here in these two spaces، وبعدين هنكتب sentence بتوصف ايه الشيبس الكومن اللي في التو shapes. تاني هنكتب ايه الكومن اللي في التو shapes. And now I'll give you enough time to think and answer, and when we are back we'll review the answers all together. Now I am sure ان انتوا كلكم حددتوا what the shapes have in common. عرفتوا ايه الكومن اللي في الشيبس. على فكرة my students do this too. One of my students said that shapes A and L. تعالوا كده نشوف A and L. Okay, so I write shapes A and shape L are similar. طب هم قالوا A and L similar ليه؟ عشان both of them are triangle. Look, this is triangle and this shape also is triangle. But because they are triangles.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.